Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very first pixel art NFT in Figma, and yes, you can do it completely for free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own fun little pixel smiley saved and ready to share, mint, or just admire. You don't need any fancy equipment or paid software, just Figma and your creativity. Let's dive straight in. For this demo, we're going to make a classic, the smiley face. Think of it like those pixel emojis you've seen, but you'll be in charge of every single pixel. This is perfect if you're just dipping your toes into NFT art and want to learn the process hands-on. Okay, step 1, open up Figma and let's get our workspace set up. To make classical pixel art, it's really important to use a grid. Grids are what help keep your pixels, those little rectangles, lined up perfectly so your art looks crisp rather than, well, just a group of random blocks. Now head over to the Layout Guide options. In Figma, this is usually on the right-hand side. Look for the Layout Grid section. What we want to do is set our grid size to 300. This means you'll have a 300 pixel by 300 pixel playground to build your smiley in. Don't rush here. Make sure the grid lines show up clearly. Sometimes you might need to adjust the color or opacity so you can see them as you work. Think of the grid as your blueprint, like a chessboard for your artwork. Without it, it's really easy to lose track of alignment. Now with your grid all set, it's time to add some rectangles. In pixel art, each rectangle functions like a single pixel, so you want each one to fit perfectly inside a single grid box. Grab the rectangle tool and start by clicking and dragging right inside one of the grid cells. Copy that rectangle and use it to build up the structure of your smiley face. Maybe start with the outline, a yellow circle with the eyes and the mouth inside, adjusting the color of each little rectangle as you go. Don't be afraid to experiment. You might want to make your smiley winking or give it sunglasses to show off some personality. Remember, art is all about expression, and even simple pixel art can say a lot with just a few shapes. Take your time here. It might take a few tries to get the spacing and colors just how you want them. If you feel things aren't looking right, just undo and try again. Pixel art is forgiving like that. Also, make sure you're zoomed in enough to see each cell clearly, but zoom out every now and then. Sometimes what looks odd up close comes together nicely from a distance, just like how painters step back from their canvases. Once you're happy with how your smiley looks, it's time for the grand finale, exporting your NFT. Head up to the export options, select your smiley layers or the frame that contains your entire piece, and export as a PNG file. This format is perfect because it saves all those crisp, sharp edges you worked so hard to create. Save it somewhere you can easily find. Maybe make a little collection if you end up getting hooked on pixel art. And there you have it. Your first pixel art NFT, ready to be shared or minted wherever you like. That's it. You've just made your own pixel art NFT using Figma, all without spending a dime. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like. And if you have any questions or want to show off what you made, drop a comment below. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.